Hello class and welcome to your business law class for the week of April 13th through April 17th. Once again, I've made another tab for this week. Here it is, week of April 13th through April 17th. And we'll go ahead and click on that link and it'll bring us into what we need to do for the week. So first, just like I have in the past, I created an agenda. So we'll go ahead and download the agenda to figure out what's due this week, what do we need to accomplish, and exactly what are we studying. Okay, so this week, there's a few important things that are due. First, I want to remind you from last week, I assigned the Articles of Organization for Domestic LLC due this Tuesday, April 14th at 11:55 p.m. And you will go onto Blackboard and you will submit that assignment. Don't forget to refer back to the video I made on the business organization presentation assignment for more details on how to complete that form. It can be found on the Secretary of State's website for Indiana. Also, there's an optional assignment due. If you want to revise your research paper, you need to submit that as well on Tuesday, April 14th by 11:55 p.m. And I've also included more details in a previous YouTube video on how to complete that. But if you have any questions or concerns on how to complete these assignments, you know how to reach me. You can send me an email at my VU email, or you can reach out to me by phone or text at the number I've provided. One last thing that you'll need to complete is a quick quiz on chapters 12 and 13. That's what we'll be studying this week. And chapters 12 and 13, I combine them because together they comprise all of contract law. So that quiz, just take that by the end of the day on Friday, April 17th by 11:55 p.m. Important to read the chapters and then view the chapter 12 and 13 presentation I've made with narration on Blackboard, and then continue working on your business organization presentation. You have PowerPoint slides or Google slides due, and a YouTube video presentation. If you have any questions, like I say, on any of the assignments or concerns about meeting the deadlines, please do reach out to me. I'm available and I'm happy to help you. Let's go back to see what else we need to do during the week. We have here again, here's my PowerPoint slides with the narration, so I'll just show you once again how to view those. You click here on the link. It's a PowerPoint, so it's going to download. And note that it may take a few minutes because it does have narration. So like I said, it may take a while for that presentation to download with the narration. Just be patient. Once it does, you will open this in PowerPoint. And you will want to view this in the slide presentation mode. So click this button here at the top.
Hello class. We're getting ready now to study contract law, which I like to combine chapter 12 and 13 because chapter 12 is all about the formation of contracts, and then chapter 13 is all about their performance, breach, and remedy. So together.
Okay, so that was a little preview about contract law. So just take your time, open this presentation, view the slides, and listen to my narration. You'll have a good handle on chapters 12 and 13. And again, reach out to me if you have any questions concerning the material. I'm here to help you. And the last thing we have this week is taking the quiz. So remember, this is going to be due by 11:55 p.m. on Friday the 17th. And you'll just click here and you'll be able to begin the quiz. Now note, once you start it, you're going to have to complete it, okay? And I've allowed an hour for you to complete it. It's 10 questions, 5 multiple choice, and 5 true false. I don't think you'll have any problems doing great on it. I want to thank all of you for your continued engagement in the class and participation. I look forward to seeing your assignments on your presentations coming in. If you have any questions about how to get started or any concerns about meeting deadlines this week, please reach out to me by my email or via phone or text at the number I provided. I hope you all have a great week. I hope you had a wonderful holiday season. And don't forget, I'm here to help you. And try to remember, do something that makes you smile. Feel free to post your pictures on the shared link we have. I'll continue posting pictures here, letting you know what I'm up to and what makes me smile. So have a great week, and I'll talk to you later.